name's Tony, and today I'm going to be explaining how a transfer case works. This is on a longitudinal transmission, right? So here, over here, you have your transmission input shaft. This is your output shaft to the rear wheels right here. This chain connects your input and output shaft, the running shaft, to the front wheels right here. This is the front wheel output shaft. Usually, when you have a two-wheel application, this is running, the transmission input shaft is running through here, and it's turning this shaft. Running on the pinion gears on inside here. Right now, as you see, the chain's not moving because four-wheel drive is not engaged. This is selector. You have three gears. You have four-wheel drive high, four-wheel drive low, and you have two-wheel drive. So right here, this spins freely onto the shaft. When this spins, this engages. This is what turns the front wheels. Right here, this spins freely on here, on a bearing. This is the magnetic clutch. This gets engaged by the magnetic clutch. You see these splines here? These splines spline on right to the output shaft to the rear wheels. So when you select four-wheel drive, the magnetic clutch engages here. Now all this is connected. So when the input shaft turns from the transmission, it rotates the belt, the chain, and it runs four-wheel drive. Now we're going to talk about gear reduction. Now you have a shift forward. You can shift between four-wheel drive high and four-wheel drive low. When you need more torque, you need a gear reduction. Inside here, this shifts up and down. The shift forward goes on here, it shifts. This is four low, inside four high. When you engage the four low, the teeth engages to the planet carrier, and the sun gear drives the pinions. So you have a gear reduction of, there's a smaller gear running a big gear, therefore you get a gear reduction. So here you get a gear reduction of about 2.5, 3 to 1. Then you get a direct drive. You shift up to four high, you get a higher gear ratio. This is a 1-to-1 ratio. Holding this right now, this holds the sun gear, and the ring gear is held. Therefore, when you have two gears held in a planetary carrier, you get a direct drive. With this magnetic clutch engaged, you have a 1-to-1 four-wheel drive. With this in four low, engaged, you get a 1-to-1 four-wheel drive. You get a gear reduction, four-wheel drive low. And that's how transfer case works. Thanks.